Good morning. You can see it's a little dark. PTO and I started out about 6:15 this morning on the trail. We've been going about an hour, a couple of miles in, so about 7 more to go. And our episode of Foothills Trail on trails less traveled will be done. But it is a pretty morning, cool, but the moon is shining. Slightly overcast with some clouds. Weather's supposed to move in tomorrow, but we'll be off trail by the time we get that one. You know, as you know, it's been a great trip. We do have had a couple of days of rain, but it hasn't been bad. And again, it's good to be out here. Bittersweet to see it come to an end. But anyway, you guys come along. Let's go walking. Coming up off of this to this beautiful morning. Have this short little up, and there's one more pretty good up, and then we'll descend down into Table Rock State Park where the car is parked, and that will end this hike. So this is a short day, and you can see PTL maybe standing up there taking it all in. As we're going down this first, we have one more pretty good up, and then we'll descend down into Table Rock State Park. All these rocks, it's like walking among the giants. We continue to go up. More steps to go up, nearing the top of the last big climb of the trail, and to get this view. Okay, here we are, Bald Knob. 2,849 elevation, going down toward Table Rock, but you gotta see this. I believe the prettiest sight of the trail, and we're about 3.5 miles away from the end of it all. I just think of Psalm 121. I look to the hills. Where does my strength come from? Strength comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. Well, here we are. We're at the end, and I am now at Table Rock State Park here with PTL. But I'm feeling funny. I don't know what's happening. I feel weird. Wow, I have a headache. I'm really tired. I feel like I hiked 70 or 80 miles. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go back to bed.